All right, we got a storm coming our way for tomorrow, a coastal storm. But first of all, let's talk about winter storms. Yesterday we asked you to vote on winter storm Y between Yoshi and York, and the winner is Yoshi. 58% of you voted for Yoshi. 42% voted for York. And now, as we work our way backward through the alphabet, we're starting with Z this year, going our way backwards, and we're going to ask you to vote now on Zena or Sabrina. You could vote on WFSB.com or go to our Facebook page where we have a link to that website, and we're going to announce the winner of Storm X on Eyewitness News Monday at 5. All right, thank you very much for voting, everybody. Early warning pinpoint Doppler is scanning the stage right now, so even though we were having technical difficulties at the Friday night football game, we're not going to have weather difficulties. Our weather is going to be just fine. However, tomorrow, we got a coastal storm. The rain is going to be heavy at times, not all day long, but at times it's going to come down pretty hard. It ends tomorrow night. Rainfall 1 to 2 inches in parts of the state. It could cause poor drainage flooding where leaves clog drains, and maybe even some small streams could go out of their banks. As far as the winds go, gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour, especially near the coast. That could cause scattered power outages because a lot of leaves are still on the trees. And as far as coastal flooding, with the combination of astronomically high tides and the wind from the storm, minor to significant coastal flooding can happen, especially over the western end of Long Island Sound. We're talking about places like New Haven, Cozy Beach, and even coastal sections of Fairfield County. So right now, Hartford, we got a partly cloudy sky. It's going to be a nice evening, although cool. Grab a jacket if you're going to one of those Friday night football games. Middletown, partly cloudy, and the same is true in New London. It's pretty quiet out there as we go through the next several hours. As we go through this evening into tomorrow morning, we're going to see low 40s this evening, and we're dry until 5 a.m. That's when the rain moves in, probably between 3 and 5 in the morning. Temperatures around 40 when you get up inland, and for the shoreline, we're likely going to stay in the 40s all night long, and between 40 and 45 with rain at 7 a.m. So when you get up tomorrow morning, it's already going to be raining, and it's going to rain off and on throughout the entire day. So as far as temperatures go right now, we are in the 40s, 46 in Hartford, and the winds are not terribly strong now, but they're going to kind of ramp up, especially in the pre-dawn hours. So we have partial cloudiness over us now, but look at this big storm. It's extensive from basically the Great Lakes all the way down into the mid-Atlantic states. The storm is pretty much going to hug the coast as it moves up in the direction of Connecticut. Now, Futurecast shows that we'll have increasing cloudiness. Rain arrives in the pre-dawn hours, and maybe even a wintry mix in the higher elevations of northern Connecticut for a little while. But it's going to be periods of rain, heavy at times. Perhaps the heaviest rain will pass across Rhode Island and Massachusetts, and this is 7 o'clock in the evening. Still some rain in the state, but as we go into Sunday, a lingering shower or two in the morning. The afternoon is mostly dry, except for maybe a shower, and we might even see a little bit of sunshine, enough to get temperatures up to around 60. As far as rainfall totals go, Futurecast is saying that the heaviest amounts will be in eastern Connecticut, 1 to 2 inches there. And look at Rhode Island, a bullseye there, and perhaps lesser amounts in western Connecticut, but that's not necessarily a guarantee. As far as lows go tonight, we'll say 35 to 44, and your highs for tomorrow are going to be in the 40s over interior portions of the state and the 50s, especially in southeastern portions of Connecticut. So here's your 7-day forecast. Sunday, mostly cloudy, maybe a shower, but a good part of the day will be dry, near 60. Showers or a few periods of rain Monday, 54. Tuesday looks dry, 59. Now, Wednesday, there could be a shower on Halloween Day, maybe a shower or two, but most of the day will be dry. And the trick-or-treaters won't need a heavy winter jacket. Daytime highs around 61. Thursday, increasing clouds, some late-day showers, 58. And Friday could be a very warm, highs in the 60s, perhaps an afternoon or evening thunderstorm. And for the shoreline tomorrow, 54, and a milder 59 on Sunday.